Welcome to this quick guide on turning on vibration for Dropbox notifications. If you rely on your phone's haptics to catch those messages, this will help ensure you don't miss an update from Dropbox. First, head into your phone's settings. This is where all of your app alerts and system preferences live. Take a moment to locate the area that controls your apps and notifications. The layout might look a little different depending on your device, but the steps are basically the same. Next, open apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Scroll until you find Dropbox and tap to open its settings. You're about to customize how Dropbox notifies you, so you're in the right place. Now, tap on notifications. This is where you can adjust how Dropbox communicates with you. You'll see a few options here, including general notifications and more specific categories. If you're not sure which to choose, start with the central notification switch to make sure Dropbox can alert you at all. Look for notification categories. This section groups different kinds of alerts Dropbox can send, such as activity updates, reminders, or shared item notices. It's a great way to tailor your alerts so you only get vibrations for the most important moments. Tap on default, then locate the Vibrate toggle. Turning this on will cause your phone to vibrate whenever Dropbox sends a default notification. If you want extra control, you can leave other categories as silent or customize them later, but enabling Vibrate at this level ensures you don't miss standard alerts.